February the 20th, 1944. The Nazis planned to move almost a year's output of heavy water by train from Vemork. The carriages will cross Lake Thyn by ferry. From here, the cargo will travel to Germany, to the site of a nuclear reactor. Vemork Power Plant, once the world's largest hydroelectric power station. It is this energy that powers the creation of the precious heavy water. April the 9th, 1940. Germany invades Norway.
The Nazis were eager to get control of the heavy water at the Vemork plant, due to the reason that they wanted to use it as a cooling aid in their nuclear reactor. In 1942, at the peak of the production here at Vemork, they produced as much as 1,000 kilos of heavy water.
Over a ton is a big step towards building Hitler's first nuclear reactor.
It looked as if Germany might well get a nuclear bomb quickly, and the Allies were obviously very concerned about that. Churchill wanted the heavy water plant to be destroyed.
Vemork power plant becomes a priority target for Allied air raids and sabotage. Damage like this eventually forces the Nazis to safeguard their stockpile of the precious commodity. February the 20th, 1944. The Nazis plan to move almost a year's output of heavy water by train from Vemork. The carriages will cross Lake Thyn by ferry. From here, the cargo will travel to Germany, to the site of a nuclear reactor. Soldiers load around 40 barrels onto railway carriages. The hydro ferry departs, but it never reaches its destination. At 10:45 in the morning, it sinks. The cargo tumbles into the water. 27 people are rescued, and 26 go down with the ferry, mostly innocent civilians. For decades, the hydro ferry and her secret wartime cargo lie hidden in the dark waters. Until now. Fredrik Sereda is a maritime archaeologist. He studied this area for over 20 years.
I'm standing on the shores of Lake Thyn. It's a very dramatic lake in Norway. It's got high mountains up to 1,000 meters around it, and the lake is very deep, so it actually goes down to 460 meters. For decades, this lake had a big secret. And to be able to uncover that secret, the whole lake had to be explored.
1,500 feet is too deep for divers. So Fredrik works with an expert in remotely operated vehicles, Tor Olaf Sperre.
So today we have the remotely operated vehicle. It is used to go down to the shipwreck so that we can film it and also make a lot of other interesting documentation.
They're equipping the ROV with the latest multi-beam sonar technology, allowing them to probe the darkest depths.
Take it up and then we can load a new profile and then start doing the other tests. Yeah.
Multi-beam sonar fires sound waves to the lake floor. The return signal displays the shape and depth of the features beneath.
It becomes then a very detailed image, and that's what we're looking at. That's what we want.
And Tor Olaf knows where to look. He's been fascinated by the story of the lost ferry for years, and he was one of the first to find the wreck. Now, he's back, with powerful new scanning equipment and cameras that will finally give him the most detailed record of what's down there.